Hey guys, Popo here, and I don't have a tutorial today, and I'm not going to really go over any gear. I actually have a favor to ask from you guys. And what I'm going to start doing is putting links to my equipment, because I'm part of I joined the affiliate program from Amazon where you can put the links, and long story short, if you click on the link and you want to let's say you want to learn more about the MPC X, or you want to see pictures on it, or go to a page that has it for sale, and you can look up more about it, the specifications, size. There's in my description below, there are links where you can click on them, and you know, it'll take you to a page where you can purchase it. Yeah, you can purchase it. It sounds like purchases it. Anyway, guys, like for the MOOG or the Neutron or any of the gear that I use in my studio to kind of help me out, except for these little crap cameras, I'm not going to recommend them to anybody. But there is a lot of stuff that I use, and if you haven't seen the videos that I put on about each one of these, like I say, it's a good reference to where you can go back and be like, what is that thing? What is that he's got? Well, I got them now posted on there, and if you really want to support the channel, you know, I appreciate the people that have been sending PayPal. I'm very humbled by that. But what would be really cool is to save your money and buy a piece of gear. And if you were to click on one of my links below and buy a headphone, or even if you were just to click the link and buy something off of that page, I would get a cut for that. And I think that's a fair way to generate an honest income, where I'm not asking for money, and if you don't want to order something, that's fine, but you can always use it as a reference, so it's still a service. And I thought that would be kind of cool. So say if you buy an Akai Force for $1,400, I get like, I don't know, like $80 or something ridiculous. But this is what I do all day long, man. I'm on YouTube, and I try to find different ways to make money. And if you're curious about the Amazon Associates program, just go there, sign up. And if not, put in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to walk you through it. But again, that's kind of where I'm going at. And then I'm trying to find other ways to make passive income, guys. And honestly, you know, I would like to see by like a show of thumbs up how many people would actually buy an album that I would release. Like, say if it was 10 songs and I put it out there for like $5, but then the people that wanted the stems to those songs to remix them, I'll give those to you. You're going to remix the song anyway, so you're going to chop it up and do that anyway. So might as well just give you the stems if you like the song, you know what I mean? And I can do that in any format, WAV, MP3, of the MPC X or whatever. But anyway, guys, let me wrap this real quick. I'm going to show you a little bit of the stuff that I have in the studio and kind of explain how I kind of got it routed together and why it might be good for you. And it's going to be a big-ass review, like all in one, okay? And yeah, let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and stop this here, and we'll go. Cool, guys, so let's go ahead over here. This is the Modal Skulpt. It's got 32 oscillators on it, where you can make a lot of cool noise with this little thing. I haven't really dug into it too much, but it does have some CVs in the back, and let me show you that real quick. It's got some CV action going on there, so that's kind of cool. You can do sync out, line in, pretty dope. And it powers off of, I guess I'll go over next, the mixer. It's powered off of USB. For my mixer, so I can plug right out of this USB right here, and it'll power on my that little keyboard, so it's pretty dope. the mixer MTK22 track. The reason why that I got this is because the USB return is outstanding. Like whenever you're on your MPC software or any software that has USB, I mean, you hit these little USB returns, and it's not like a regular mixer that says it's going to be 22 track return and then only 2 tracks work at a time. It's going to be more of where all these bad boys come out. So if you explode your tracks, and you've seen them on different, I don't know why I got this weird effect on my voice. I'm going to fix that real quick. But if you guys have seen that, on one of my MTK videos, I'll show you how to use this thing just a little bit. And with the 8 outs in the MPC, it's really, really cool to go in and out from the back. And we'll go to the MPC. The MPC, of course, I sample everything into here right now. It sounds a little bit better now. But it does have the 8 outs in the back. I don't know if I'm going to be able to flip that. But yeah, that probably doesn't give it any justice. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of plugins back there that you can plug into. And like I said, I run everything into my Akai MPC X, even my Akai Force. Let me give you guys the reason I like this. There's no menu diving at all. It's all right here. Your pad bank, those are your different octaves, full level, half level, 16 track mute. It's a workhorse, and it weighs a lot. All of your Q links map out real nice whenever you load up stuff. I got tons of videos on this, guys. And then as far as the Akai Force, I've got a few videos on it, and I'm still learning it, but I'm learning to love it a lot. Moving on to the Akai Professional, this thing comes with VIP software, and it comes with a loom hybrid, and look at that, it is smart. It has all this stuff in here real quick, and I've only made a couple of these on here, but if you look through the channel, it's got a lot of different presets, and it's got a different arpeggiator. Yeah, it's got a lot of that too, and it does jive with the Akai Force. Like when you're using plugins, these knobs move stuff. Studio Logic Sledge, my favorite synth in the whole world. It's a work beast. You can make any noise off of here. Pretty much if you give it just some time. The wave table, that orange knob's where the magic happens. You can do latch. You can split the keys. You can make your own noise. It's got a lot of knobs. And the cutoff is pretty sensitive. I'm not going to say it's more sensitive than the MOOG. The MOOG, the cutoff knob on here is crazy. It's got some sounds. The reason why I don't have it on, I don't know. This is actually my Korg Minilogue being triggered. No, it's not. But what's cool is you can see the sounds coming audio in. Pretty sweet. And I got them going out of here, going into there. So when I hit this key, it affects that box. Which affects this box. Pretty dope. And that's how I use those. And whenever you go into the software, I have a pretty cool video on this where it actually explodes the tracks, all because they're going in through that mixer, and every track goes out separate. With me playing one key, it goes through all these boxes, and they all split up differently. That pretty much about wraps it up, other than this stand right here. Maybe move around here real quick. Maybe I can reach it, doubt it. But this is just a regular guitar stand, okay? Nothing fancy. It's not one of these kind, okay? It's not one of these dealies. See that? You don't want that. It's crap. You don't want this. You're lucky you made the video, buddy. I haven't taken my Force off of this thing since I got it. I'll give you a little look. And what's really cool about this is that on the back of it, what finger is that? It's got that thing down there. It's a little rubber stopper. So it sits really, really nice. Nice and flush. And it's got these little rails that sit just above the quantize button in this, and still gives me room to plug in my headphones and all that dilly. And what's dope is, like, I'll move it up here, and cool, I'm gonna turn this down. No, sorry, man, dude, I won't ever do that again. I'll probably do it again. I just want to show that you can push on this thing. Like watch. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to be scared that you're gonna push it over. It's got rubber feet on it, and it's only like 15 bucks, dude. I mean, you can literally go out to Walmart or a Guitar Center and buy that like really cheap right now. It folds, it's really portable, and I use it. That's where my Force sits. Anyway, again, guys, if you want to support the channel again, I just want to go over this stuff. I mean, these little puzzles over here are cool too, man. I don't have them in the link, but sometimes you just need to sit in your studio and just not studio. So anyway, really appreciate everybody that's watched and subscribed. Show me a lot of love over the year, and I hope that if you guys need anything, or if there's anything that I can do to better these videos, you know, just let me know in the comment. I'm learning, and like I say, I appreciate everybody that's actually making videos, because I watch them. I've seen them. I watch everybody's video. You have a video on the Akai Force or the MPC. Yes, I've seen it, and I appreciate all of them. So yeah, guys, I don't know what I'm going to do next, but I'm really thinking about that whole album thing, and I'd really like your feedback on that. Leave a thumbs up, leave a thumbs down, leave a comment. Work hard, play hard, man. I'll see you guys later.